So this is the review sheet answers for Unit 2.1.2, World of Life. First question is define the term vertebrate. It says animals with a backbone, and we have to say backbone, we cannot say spine. If you're looking at for that specifically, it's made of bone. Define the term invertebrate. It's animals without a backbone. Then why do scientists use the scientific name? Remember, the scientific name is in Latin, and they use it because it's universal and avoids confusion. This is the only thing we need to say for that question. What classification categories are used in the scientific name? So they use the genus and the species of the organism. Define the term biodiversity. Biodiversity is the number of different species in a particular environment or habitat. Name the classification categories and describe how the organism is classified. So we've got kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, species. We know genus and species make the scientific name. And as we go down the categories, we have increasing similarities. As the similarities increase, the number of animals will also then decrease. State methods to preserve biodiversity. We have conservation and trade in endangered species, breeding programs, zoos, seed banks and nature reserves where we can't destroy the land or habitat in which the endangered species live. Describe a method to estimate the number of daisies in a field. So we randomly place the quadrat, okay, keyword there, randomly. Count the number of daisies, repeat for 10 quadrats, calculate the mean of the daisies and then times the mean by the area of the field. State and explain the adaptations of a polar bear. So we've got white fur, as they're going to camouflage and blend into the snow. They've got thick fur, obviously to keep them warm and to trap in heat. They've got small ears and it's to reduce heat loss. It's the only thing we can write. And then obviously they have a big layer of fat underneath and it's to keep them warm. Evolution of antibiotic resistant bacteria. So again, these are the 6 sentences that we need to learn. And it's the only thing we need to be saying. So we've got bacteria. There's the word that I've changed for my 6 sentences. Show variation in the species. Some have antibiotic resistance, that's in the question, and some do not. Ones with antibiotic resistance survive and ones without die. This is survival of the fittest. The one with antibiotic resistant reproduce and pass on the gene to offspring. This continued over many generations until a new species forms. So we can use those 6 sentences over and over again for different organisms. We're just changing those 4 things. And that is the review sheet for 2.1.2.